Well, I think the AmCham Young Professionals program is just fabulous. We partner with them on a number of programs that help promote mentorship, inspire entrepreneurs, provide an opportunity for university students to make connections in business and learn more or less what the real world is about, so they can connect their academic studies with how they might actually be applied. The Top Potential program is another aspect of that, in providing an opportunity for very, very talented young business people to make new connections, both with their peers, but especially with mentors who can help guide them in their careers. So I think it's a great program, and I think over time it'll really give the Slovenian business community a big boost. Well, leadership is critical in any venture, whether it's the private enterprise or whether it's in government or anything. And giving the young potentials, the top potentials, a chance to get an idea about different styles of leadership, I think is also really critical.